Hello, I am Joydeep Ghosh, your instructor for the complete Steemit course, and in this video I am going to show you my first success stories what I get on Steemit post. This is the first post I made on Steemit, and this is for raising fund for my higher education. I am a computer science graduate and I want to do my MS program from some foreign university, and that's why to raise fund I just post a crowdfunding campaign on Steemit, and this is the result. I invest a couple of hours to make the post. Here you see this is a long post with my friends, family, and I also give all of my mark sheet and all the details because I already passed my engineering. I already mentioned all my scorecard, my CGPA report, and I made the post, and you see here within just couple of hours this crowdfunding campaign made $132. So this is quite nice. This post, this success give me some inspiration that yes, we can. It is possible and it is absolutely real. I do not have any concept about the Steemit program. I do not know anything. I just collect some concept from the internet and make a basic post for raising funds. And yes, it's happened. You see here a lot of people ask different question, different comment on the comment section, and all the people are upvoted and give me some money for my higher education. So I think this short video will give you some basic idea it is possible or not, and how a man like me who doesn't have any experience on the field can make $100+ within just a couple of hours and on the first day on the Steemit. So if you do not have any knowledge about the platform, about cryptocurrency, let's get started. I will help you step by step. So if I, who doesn't have any level of experience how the Steemit network work, can make $100+ within just couple of hours, then yes, you also can do it. And in this course I will give you step-by-step guidance how you can do, what the marketing tips you have to follow to get a quick term success on Steemit, and hope see you next.